On behalf of the 16 doctors and over 100 staff members of Harvard Eye Associates and Alicia Surgery Center, and following the direction of the Governor of California and the Orange County Health Authorities, we're very pleased to tell you that we're back and we're open to take care of our patients. Our office is taking great care to protect you and your loved ones from COVID-19, and this video will help you to understand what to expect when you come in to see us. First, you may receive a communication from your doctor before your visit. Please review that information carefully and follow the instructions it contains. This is for your safety. When you come in for a visit, please arrive no earlier than 10 minutes before your scheduled appointment time. Everyone who enters one of our offices will have their temperature checked and answer questions about their health history. We're doing this even for our own staff and our doctors as well. Everyone must also bring a face mask. A homemade cloth mask or a scarf will work. We will be wearing masks and gloves as well. Please bring your mobile phone, as this is a good way to communicate on site if needed. We love seeing your family members, but it's not safe right now to have extra people in the office. Please come alone unless you need a single family member to provide physical help or communication assistance. We've reduced the number of patients that we're seeing, and we've spread out the chairs in our lobby to allow social distancing. You'll find hand sanitizer readily available, and we'll be using it and washing our hands quite frequently. Public areas will be cleaned and sanitized several times throughout the day, and our exam rooms will be cleaned and sanitized before and after every single patient. Please realize there is a risk in coming into any medical facility right now, but there's also a risk in staying home when you really need to have your eyes taken care of. We're giving our best effort to minimizing your risk in our office, so we appreciate your cooperation. The world is a changing place right now, but our practice has been here in Orange County since 1974. Every one of us considers it a true privilege to take care of our patients, who we think of as not just our neighbors and our friends, but as our extended family. Nothing is more important to you than your vision, and nothing is more important to us than honoring your trust by treating you as we would our own loved ones. Thank you sincerely for giving us that trust. We can't wait to see you again.